Controlling the mind with the mind is like trying to grasp fog. It's an elusive endeavor. The nervous system, which includes the brain and its connections to the body, requires a different approach when the mind is unmanageable. Mechanical actions can be more effective in such situations. Trauma, anxiety, and fear are often linked to stress. While stress can exist without trauma or anxiety, trauma is always accompanied by stress and anxiety. Trauma can be seen as an inappropriate fear or stress response lingering from past experiences, making life difficult. To manage stress effectively, it is essential to identify the type of stress you're experiencing. Are you exhausted and struggling to boost your energy, or is your energy too high, making it difficult to calm down? The solutions differ for each situation. It's challenging to control the mind with the mind, but it can be done by focusing on the body. The body has built-in mechanisms to help manage stress, such as the physiological sigh, which involves a double inhale followed by a long exhale. This technique, discovered by Jack Feldman's lab, helps raise stress thresholds and can be practiced away from stressful situations. When dealing with fatigue, the foundation is often poor sleep and sleep scheduling. Improving sleep quality is a long-term solution, but for immediate relief, increasing alertness is crucial. There's a direct relationship between breathing patterns and heart rate. Inhaling more vigorously or for longer periods speeds up the heart rate, increasing alertness. Conversely, longer or more vigorous exhales slow down the heart rate, reducing alertness. Repetitive, deep breathing can significantly raise the heart rate and trigger the adrenal glands to release adrenaline, increasing alertness. Initially, this can cause agitation, but learning to remain calm despite the body's adrenaline rush teaches top-down control. Techniques like ice baths or the hour of pain exercise, where one remains in a single position for an hour, also help develop this control. These practices are about overriding the body's stress signals with the mind's calm commands. Addressing trauma and stress involves recognizing whether you are overly agitated or exhausted. For agitation, emphasize long exhales and practices like the physiological sigh. For exhaustion, focus on alertness techniques. Additionally, practices like yoga nidra, which involve long exhale breathing and deep relaxation, can help manage stress and improve overall well-being.